The Pixel 9 launch is just days away and the leaks are coming in hot. We've got some juicy details about potential pre-order deals thanks to a slip-up by a UK retailer. Let's dive in. You wouldn't believe it, but it looks like we've got an early look at the Pixel 9 pre-order deals thanks to Vodafone UK. They accidentally leaked details of their Google Storage intro offer online, giving us a glimpse into what early adopters of the UK can expect. Now, before we get too excited about a free Pixel Watch 3, let's get one thing straight. There doesn't seem to be one, but don't be too disappointed because the storage upgrade incentives are looking pretty sweet. It seems like Google is stepping up their game with these pre-order deals. While the vanilla Pixel 9 might only get a bump from 128 gigabytes to 256 gigabytes, things get more interesting with the Pixel 9 Pro. You'll be able to snag 512 gigabytes for the price of 256 gigabytes. And if you're eyeing the rumored Pixel 9 Pro XL, you've got even more options. You can choose from 256 gigabytes for the price of 128 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes for the price of 256 gigabytes, or even a hopping 1 TB for the price of 512 gigabytes. As for the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, the deal seems a bit more straightforward, 512 gigabytes for the price of 256 gigabytes. Now let's talk about the numbers. We've put together a quick chart to break down the potential pricing based on the leaked information. Keep in mind that these are UK prices and include VAT, so they might differ from US pricing. Also, there seem to be some inconsistencies in the leaked data, so take these numbers with a grain of salt. So, what does this all mean? Well, if these deals are accurate, it's definitely something to consider if you're planning to pre-order a Pixel 9. The storage upgrades could be a game changer for many users, especially those who like to keep a lot of photos, videos, and apps on their phones. Of course, we won't know the official pricing and deals until Google's Made by Google event on August 13th. But based on this leak, it looks like Google is pulling out all the stops to entice early adopters. We're just a few days away from finding out all the details about the Pixel 9 series, including the official pricing, specs, and features. We'll be covering the event live, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated. What do you think about these leaked pre-order deals? Are you tempted to upgrade your storage? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the Pixel 9 launch.